This is Mr. Fisher. Mr. Fisher is a dermatologist and has a small practice with 6 employees. Things are going well in the practice. But there is something that bothers him time and time again. His old examination light. The light takes a standard bulb, and since he has to examine many patients each day, the bulb needs changing very frequently. He would much rather have an LED examination light. In order to diagnose them correctly, Mr. Fisher has to examine his patients very closely. To do this, he needs good lighting. However, the light from conventional LED lights makes the skin's colors look fake and unreal. This would make it difficult for Mr. Fisher to perform an accurate diagnosis. Also, during examinations, Mr. Fisher often has to adjust the light to individual patients. The old light is hard to move around, however, and does not stay in the desired position. A new examination light is urgently needed. A few days later, he meets a colleague at a doctor's convention, whom he tells of his search for a suitable examination light. The colleague gives him a good tip: the LED examination light from HEINE. For some time now, Mr. Fisher has been working with the LED examination light from HEINE. He noticed the many advantages as soon as when treating the first patient. Thanks to the LED light, he now has a focusable and completely homogeneous field of illumination. He can also continually adjust the brightness. This means that Mr. Fisher can optimally adapt the field of illumination to any situation. He now no longer has to change any light bulbs. The new LED light works for up to 30,000 hours. Mr. Fisher soon notices certain things in particular. The light shows colors accurately. Red is red and blue is blue. Thanks to the light's flexible gooseneck, he can now set the position of the light himself at last. Hygiene is also ensured. The light has a closed housing, making it easy to clean. As he is about to fasten the light to the wall, he notices the light's sound processing and quality. And best of all, for the famous quality standard of HEINE, Mr. Fisher gets a 5-year guarantee. Mr. Fisher is happy. The new light unites durability, performance and function. With the EL10 LED examination light from HEINE, he has finally found the right light for his practice. LED HQ. LED now in HEINE quality.